Guys, this biggest opinion. Lord Bills versus Super Saiyan God Goku. Super Saiyan God Vegito. Who could be winning this battle with battle? I'm sure that Vegito, Super Saiyan God Vegito can beat Lord Bills because in Battle of God you see that Lord Bills uses 70% in his power in fight Super Saiyan God Goku. And Lord Bills uses 70. Lord Bills is used 100% to Super Saiyan God Goku press nothing. Nothing will happen of Lord Bills in Vegeta. And Super Saiyan God Goku can't touch Lord Bills, but the Super Saiyan God Vegito can touch Lord Bills. And Whis can beat uh, Whis can beat Lord Bills 2 in one hit. And who is faster and go to Vegito? Who is stronger and go to Super Saiyan God Vegito? Who is the strongest blast? Super Saiyan God Vegito. Another video, Super Saiyan God Vegito versus Lord Bills. So could be win with battle. Bye guys. See you again in the next video. Subscribe and like or dislike and know what do you want? Dislike or like or subscribe. Bye guys. Another video again. Beast versus Vegito. Super Saiyan God Vegito. Who could win with battle?